friends, welcome back to our next 10. My name is Pihika and today I'm going to share 10 new English words along with sentences, synonyms and antonyms. These words are related to family and relationships. So let's get started. The first word is relative. Sentence: I am visiting my relatives during the holiday season. Synonyms: family member, kin. Antonyms: stranger, outsider. The next word is sibling. Sentence: she has two siblings, a brother and a sister. Synonyms: brother, sister. Antonyms: only child, unrelated. The next word is ancestor. Sentence: my ancestors came from Iran many generations ago. Synonyms: forefather, predecessor. Antonyms: descendant, offspring. The next word is compassion. Sentence: the dog has been a loyal companion for 10 years. Synonyms: friend, partner. Antonyms: enemy, rival. The next word is reunion. Sentence: the family reunion brought together relatives from across the country. Synonyms: gathering, meeting. Antonyms: separation, farewell. The next word is bond. Sentence: parents and children share a special bond of love. Synonyms: connection, tie. Antonyms: division, separation. The next word is affection. Sentence: she showed great affection towards her grandchildren. Synonyms: love, fondness. Antonyms: hate, dislike. The next word is support. Sentence: friends provide emotional support during difficult times. Synonyms: help, assistance. Antonyms: neglect, abandon. The next word is trust. Sentence: trust is the foundation of any strong relationship. Synonyms: confidence, faith. Antonyms: distrust, suspicion. The next word is cherish. Sentence: I cherish the memories I made with my family. Synonyms: treasure, value. Antonyms: neglect, discard. Next, thank you for learning. You have learned 10 powerful words today. Tip word of the day: cherish. Your challenge: share what you cherish most about your family or friends. If you like, also try using these words in your daily conversation. That's the best way to remember them. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more daily English lessons. See you tomorrow with 10 more interesting words. Also make sentences with these words and share in the comment. Thank you. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.